Hey, ever wanted to put a look together and finish it off with some maybe arm candy? Yep, I'm going to show you how to do it. The first bracelet that I'm going to be talking about is this particular bracelet. Look at that bling, really, really pretty. Stretch bracelet is actually the easiest to stack with. The next is this particular bracelet duo. This is how it comes. Yes, I love it. Matches great. And last will be these beautiful bracelets. There's a total of 5 of them. You would get all 5. Yes, I know. And paparazzi accessories, $5 jewelry. Awesome! Exactly. So as you can see, especially around Valentine's, you kind of want to play a story. I tend to use multiple bracelets to be, I guess you can say, like a filler. All right, because this is probably going to be my main piece. I love the bling. Got to check it out, right? So when you have a focal point, you want to start on one side and work to the other, keeping it pretty balanced. So because these blue bracelets are separate, you can actually wear it just like this. Okay, if you wanted to kind of tie it in even more so, I would put a silver on one side, probably the silver on the other. Okay, so kind of looking at it like this. You can just do this, and I will explain a little bit better while it is on my wrist. All right, and I will show you how that's gonna go. I have a plus size wrist, so sometimes these are a little bit on the tighter side for some plus size girls. Some others are very lucky and don't have to worry about some of that, but I do. So I still wear my stacks for sure. This is a fun stack, however, because see, you're gonna have the blue and the white. You got little charms, however you wanted to wear it. You see, then you're gonna follow it up with just a balance. Okay, as you slowly put your filler bracelets on, this is how you want to work it. Work it around until it feels good, looks good for you. And then finally, last but not least, I guess I would probably put that in here as well. Sorry. And there would basically be one of the sweet stacks. This would be a total of $15. I know, for $5 each. So there are 3 different, oh God, there are 3 different bracelets, right? Ensembles. So it's $15. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Yeah! So that was kind of Sweet Stacks 101. Like super quick. Well, I want you to now just kick back, relax, and check out a couple more creations that we've created, as well as my team and I have done. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.